Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious Malai rolls. First, let's gather our ingredients. You will need about 5 to 6 slices of fresh white bread with the crusts removed. For the creamy filling, have half a cup of milk powder, 1/3 cup of milk, and 2 tablespoons of fresh cream. For the soaking milk, prepare 1 cup of whole milk, a 1/4 teaspoon of cardamom powder, and a few strands of saffron. Don't forget some chopped dry fruits for garnish. Now let's create the rich Malai filling. In a pan, heat 1 teaspoon of ghee, then add 1/3 cup of milk and 2 tablespoons of fresh cream. Stir well, then incorporate half a cup of milk powder. Cook this mixture over medium heat for about 5 to 7 minutes, stirring constantly until it thickens into a smooth, mawa-like paste. Remove from heat, stir in 1 tablespoon of sugar and 1 tablespoon of chopped dry fruits. Let it cool completely. With your filling cooled, it's time to assemble the rolls. Take each bread slice and gently flatten it using a rolling pin until it is thin. Spread about 1 tablespoon of the prepared Malai filling evenly across one side of the flattened bread. Now, carefully and tightly roll each bread slice to form a neat cylindrical shape. Place these rolls seam side down in a deep serving dish, ready for the next step. For the final touch, let's make the rabri. In a separate pan, boil 1 cup of whole milk with 1 tablespoon of sugar, a 1/4 teaspoon of cardamom powder, and a few saffron strands. Let it simmer for about 3 to 5 minutes until it slightly thickens. Pour this warm rabri milk evenly over the arranged Malai bread rolls. Garnish generously with slivered almonds and pistachios. Refrigerate for at least 30 minutes to allow the rolls to soak up the flavors. Then serve chilled.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.